Welcome to the fascinating world of garlic production. From the moment garlic is planted in open fields to its transformation inside advanced factories, and finally to its place in your kitchen, every step matters. Today we'll take you through the complete process, revealing how raw garlic is carefully cultivated, processed and refined into premium garlic powder. This is where nature, human expertise and technology come together. Welcome to Factory Process AI.
These look good, nice and firm.
As the garlic plants reach maturity, the leaves begin to yellow at 50 to 70%, signaling that it's time to harvest. At this stage, the garlic bulbs are firm and free from cracks, ready to be carefully harvested by hand or with mechanical assistance. The harvesting method is chosen to prevent any damage to the bulbs, preserving their integrity. To achieve the highest quality garlic powder, only premium varieties are selected. Garlics such as the renowned Ale Rose de Lautrec and Ale Violet are chosen for their rich flavors and dense aromatic qualities. These varieties are grown using organic and sustainable practices, free from harmful pesticides and contaminants, ensuring a product that meets the highest standards of quality. After the harvest, the journey of garlic towards becoming a premium product continues with the curing or initial drying process. This step is essential for hardening the outer skins of the bulbs, enhancing the flavor and reducing the initial moisture content. It is a delicate process that requires precise environmental control to achieve the best possible result. To achieve optimal drying, the garlic bulbs are carefully suspended or laid out in a well-ventilated, dry and shaded environment. The temperature is kept between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius with humidity levels under 60%. Creating the perfect conditions for the garlic to gradually lose its moisture. This process takes anywhere from 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the weather conditions and the specific characteristics of the garlic. Unlike industrial drying methods, this natural curing process ensures that the garlic retains its essential oils, which are crucial for developing the rich, authentic flavor that defines premium garlic powder. This step is key in preserving the true essence of the garlic, giving it a taste that is both vibrant and full of character. Once the garlic has been carefully dried, it enters the next crucial phase of the production process, cleaning and initial sorting. In this step, the garlic bulbs undergo a meticulous process to ensure only the best quality bulbs make it to the next stage. After cleaning, the bulbs are sorted by hand or with automated systems to identify and eliminate any defective garlic. Bulbs that are damaged, rotten, or beginning to germinate are removed from the batch. The focus here is on preserving only the healthiest and most robust garlic bulbs for the next steps. After cleaning, the bulbs are sorted by hand or with automated systems to identify and eliminate any defective garlic. Bulbs that are damaged, rotten, or beginning to germinate are removed from the batch. The focus here is on preserving only the healthiest and most robust garlic bulbs for the next steps. After the garlic bulbs have been carefully cleaned and sorted, we move to the next critical stage, separating the cloves. This process ensures that each garlic bulb is divided into individual cloves, ready for further refinement, while maintaining the highest standard of quality. The garlic bulbs are placed into specialized machines where vibration or rollers gently separate the cloves from the bulb. These machines are designed to handle the garlic with care, avoiding any damage to the delicate cloves. As the bulbs pass through, The cloves are individually separated, ensuring consistency and uniformity. Once separated, the cloves undergo a second sorting process to remove any defective ones. Bulbs that are damaged, soft, or showing signs of disease are removed, leaving only the healthiest, most robust cloves for the next steps. This ensures that the final product, the garlic powder, maintains the highest quality. With the garlic cloves now separated and sorted, we move to the next essential step in creating a premium garlic powder, peeling the cloves. This stage ensures that the outer skin is carefully removed without compromising the quality or flavor of the garlic. To peel the cloves, two methods are typically employed. The first is manual peeling, where skilled workers use precision and care to gently remove the papery skin from each clove. The second method uses high-pressure air, a mechanical approach that blows off the skin without touching the garlic itself. This technique is incredibly effective at preserving the integrity of the garlic while removing the outer layers quickly. One crucial factor during this process is the avoidance of water. Peeling is done dry, with no immersion in water, which helps prevent the activation of enzymes that could alter the garlic's taste. This ensures that the garlic retains its robust, natural flavor, which is essential for producing a premium product. Whether manual or mechanical, this step is done with utmost care to preserve the delicate aromas and ensure the highest quality garlic cloves, ready for the next stages of processing. After the garlic cloves have been peeled, they undergo the next crucial steps: washing, if necessary, and slicing. These processes ensure that the garlic is clean and ready for the next stage, while maintaining the high-quality standards required for premium garlic powder. Next, the garlic cloves are sliced into thin, uniform pieces, with each slice carefully cut to a thickness of 1.5 to 2.5 millimeters. This precision in slicing ensures that the garlic pieces are consistent in size, which is vital for achieving an even dehydration process. The slices are thin enough to dehydrate quickly and uniformly, preserving both the flavor and texture of the garlic. The advantage of such precise slicing is clear. It guarantees a high-quality, uniform product that dries evenly, leading to a final garlic powder that is rich in flavor and aroma. Now, we reach a pivotal stage in the garlic transformation process, the main dehydration phase. The objective here is clear: reduce the moisture content of the garlic to just 4 to 6%, ensuring long shelf life while preserving the rich flavors and nutrients essential for premium garlic powder. There are several methods used to achieve this delicate balance of moisture removal. The first method is hot air drying, where the garlic slices are subjected to temperatures between 55 and 70 degrees Celsius for 8 to 18 hours. This technique ensures a gradual and even reduction in moisture, maintaining the garlic's aromatic properties. Now that the garlic has been dehydrated and carefully preserved, it enters the final step before becoming the premium garlic powder we know and love, the grinding process. This crucial stage transforms the dehydrated slices into a fine, consistent powder, ensuring the garlic retains all its flavor and quality. After the garlic has been finely ground into powder, it moves into the next critical phase: sieving and classification. This step ensures that the garlic powder is free from any unwanted impurities, clumps, or oversized particles, guaranteeing a uniform, fine powder ready for packaging. The powder is carefully sieved through fine mesh screens to remove any coarse particles, dust, or other impurities that might have been missed in earlier stages. This process helps ensure that the final product has the desired consistency and texture.
Incredibly consistent,
Optical
as
or
always.
laser-based sorting systems may also be employed to further inspect the powder, ensuring uniformity and perfection. Once the garlic powder has been carefully ground and sifted, the final step before it reaches the market is quality control and testing. This phase ensures that every batch meets the highest standards of safety, consistency, and purity, guaranteeing that the product is both safe and of the utmost quality.
The consistency is perfect. All right, ready for the line.
The first test is for moisture content, ensuring that the garlic powder has less than 6% moisture. This is essential for ensuring long shelf life and preventing spoilage. Next, microbiological tests are conducted to ensure the powder is free from contaminants like Salmonella, E. coli, and molds. The safety of the product is paramount, and these tests ensure that the garlic powder is not only safe to consume, but also hygienically processed. After passing through rigorous quality checks, the garlic powder enters its final phase, packaging. This stage is crucial to preserve the integrity, freshness, and flavor of the garlic powder, ensuring that it reaches the consumer in the best possible condition.
Approved for release.
Premium packaging goes beyond just protection. It guarantees that every packet or jar of garlic powder maintains the flavor, aroma, and freshness expected of a high-quality product. The packaging is designed to protect the powder from external factors, while allowing consumers to enjoy it at its best. Once the garlic powder has been carefully packaged, it moves into the final stages of the journey, storage and distribution. This phase ensures that the garlic powder maintains its freshness and quality until it reaches the consumer. The garlic powder is stored in a controlled warehouse environment where the temperature is kept between 15 and 18 degrees Celsius, and the space is dry, dark, and free from humidity. This storage environment is essential to maintaining the powder's flavor, color, and texture, preventing any degradation that might occur from exposure to heat, light, or moisture. Now you know the complete process behind the production of garlic powder, from the very first step to the final product. If you've followed the journey until the end, write garlic in the comments and let us know which manufacturing process you'd like to discover next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next factory process. See you soon.